What's the meaning of adroit? Adroit. 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 Adroit is an adjective used to describe someone who is skillful and adept at handling a difficult situation or task. An adroit person is able to navigate complex situations with ease and finesse. They possess a high level of dexterity, coordination, and quick thinking. Adroit individuals are often sought after in professions that require precision, such as surgery, music, or sports. Being adroit can lead to success in these fields, as well as in daily life, where the ability to adapt and handle challenges smoothly can be invaluable.